take Homegrown Rooster, spice it up with chicken spice, stuff it with apples. 2 apples is enough. Put the guts in, liver and heart in there. Soy sauce on top. Add chicken breast. Spice up some chicken breast and add them. Bell pepper. Put it on the leg like so. Another one, another bell pepper. Now you can even wrap chicken breast with bell peppers. Wrap them up. Add a little bit of greens on top. Yes. And this. Everything goes into the oven. 200 degrees for 50 minutes. Then turn it off. Let's see. Wow, so delicious. It's done. Let's try the leg. Nice and steamy. Yummy. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.